Chip plays grown-up. Chip, it's time for bed. Hello, ma'am. Chip is very busy right now. Please leave a message. Time for bed. Love, Mom. P.S. Right now. Sorry, Mom. I'm working. I have 27 emails. But Mom, I'm wide awake. Let's go. How about you be the kid and go to bed? And I'll be the grown-up and watch TV. Yawn. Okay, but I'll need to be tucked in first. Now, let's go over your bedtime routine, little girl. Did you go to the bathroom? Yes. Did you brush your teeth? Yes. Did you pick out your hat for tomorrow? Sure did. Well, great. Well, good night. Wait! I need a bedtime story. This one is my favorite. How about a shorter one? No, I definitely want this one. Fine. Once upon a time. I also need my favorite stuffed animal. No, not that one. Or that one. Not any of those. Actually, it was the first one. Thanks. I'm ready now. Once upon a time. Hold on. My feet are cold. Can you get my socks? Here you go. Could you put them on for me? Fine. Stop wiggling. Sorry. That tickles. Thanks. That's better. Once upon a time, there was a stray cat named Angus. Angus became a princess. The end. I think you skipped a few pages. Good night. Time to relax. Moments later, Chip. Chip! Chip, Chip, Chip. What? I saw a spider. That's impossible. The lights are off. Can you just check? I'll promise I'll go to sleep after. Nope, no spider. Thanks. Also, I forgot to give you the list. What list? The list of things that need to get done before tomorrow. Huh? To do. Wash dishes. Do laundry. Feed Gil. Pack lunches. Water plants. Pick up toys. But... this doesn't look too bad. Okay, Listy McList. Let's do this. Wash dishes? Check. Do laundry? Check. Feed Gil? Check. Pack lunches? Check. Water plants? Check. Pick up toys? Check. All done. Finally, I can watch TV. Moments later. Why are you out of bed? I'm thirsty. What are you watching? Cartoons. That's fun. Yeah. Yawn. Well, I'm going back to sleep now in my cozy bed. Okay, good night. Wait. I want to be the kid again. Are you sure? I thought you wanted to stay up late. Yes, I'm sure. I'm so tired. Do you want to play grown up again tomorrow? You're pretty good at it. No thanks. Tomorrow, I'm going to be a robot puppy. Sounds good to me. Thank you very much for joining me today in reading Chip Plays Grown Up. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.